Hello and welcome to my recap of today. Today is August 11, and today I was watching NEO and CCL. So I decided to trade NEO because it had the biggest volume and the stock was gapping up 8, 7, like 8%. And it was at this time having like a downtrend from the high of the day of the pre-market. And at this moment it was below VWAP. So I was waiting to see what was going to happen in the first minute to see if it closed above VWAP or if it showed some resistance or resistance at VWAP. So I waited for the first minute to develop. It tried to go down, but then it started to go back to VWAP. So I was at this point thinking of maybe a long if it closed above VWAP, but it didn't. And the next candle opened and it tried to go above VWAP, but it couldn't. So at this point, I wasn't thinking anymore of a 1 minute orb, but I was waiting to see if it would make a 1 minute engulfing. So I set my stop loss at 1548 and waited to see if it made the engulfing so I can take it to the short side. I was watching also the volume. The volume wasn't extremely high at this point. So I was also waiting to see if it came and changed my plans. So the next candle opened. It made a 1 minute engulfing, so I took it to the chart. Maybe the entry wasn't so good, but it was okay. My stop loss was at 1547, and I let it develop. It was like a 20-cent risk. So when I saw that the volume also came in, I was very glad. And when I saw that it made the move, I tried to partial at 1512, but instead of partialing, I added only 4 shares, so it wasn't too much. I took some profit at 15, took some profit there at 1485. Then waited for it to make a new move and take some more profit. Took some more there. I was waiting to see if any levels showed or presented so that I can take the profit at the levels. So I was waiting for it to come back to the levels that I have marked there, 1459 and 1454. Okay, took some more there, took some more at the level. And at this point, I had very little shares. So I took some more at this is the yesterday high. And the low of pre-market is also there. So I took there. And I waited to see the last piece, the last share. I moved my stop to, I was moving my stop so that I didn't give back anymore. And then I started to see that it was going like it was going to reverse. It came to the previous day's close, so I moved my stop in a moment to the high of the candle. And I said, okay, at this point, I will not give back anymore. If it makes a new low, even in the first minute candle, I will take it out. So eventually, it started to go up and stop me out with a profit. So those were my last share profit. Yes. And after this point, the stock started to go up. So let's forward this a little bit. Started to go up, and eventually it stayed at this level without moving any further. So this was NEO. It was a very good day, very good profit. And if you have any comments, please let me know below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.